Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. This is Tiffany here. So today we're going to take a look at my new bathroom. Happy Bathroom Renovation Eve. Why is it Bathroom Renovation Eve, you say? Because tomorrow we're moving on up and we're leaving the 60s and we're getting the bathroom renovated into the 2020's. Oh, you ask, am I going to do the renovations? Oh no, I like having walls, and if I did it, we would not have any walls here in the house. But what I did do is pick out all the materials. So let's take a look at what I have. Here are all the materials that I picked out. What you see right in front of you are the tiles. And these things were like looking for gold. It was so hard to find them. I believe Lowe's was just selling out of them. So I pretty much called every Lowe's here on the East Coast trying to find them. And even right now I still don't have enough. I'm in DC and I have a truck that is supposed to be coming from Richmond tomorrow bringing me the rest of the tile. So hopefully that works out. And then I like patterns, so I found these little 6x6 tiles to match the big 12x12 tiles there. I found these on eBay, so hopefully that's enough because I can't find them anywhere else. And what else do we have? This is my shower curtain rod to replace the shower curtain rod that's in there that I used to swing on when I was little because I like gymnastics so much. What else is here? So this here will create some kind of pattern, hopefully. I thought it was cute, so I picked it up and bought a few. Little rack, and I'll probably be a senior one day too, so it might come in handy. Actually, I'm almost there as it is. I actually got this on Amazon for a good price. Like Lowe's was selling it for $75, but Amazon had it for like $25. They said it was used, but I think the package is just open here. Every towel bars there, and toilet paper, you know, all that toilet paper we had to buy for quarantine. Yeah, you gotta put it someplace. So here is, this is my, oh, that's my shower in my tub. So that's all the pieces of it. Yeah, there we go. This is my faucet. I don't think I've actually opened it yet. But that's what my faucet is like. And then again, the towel racks is the vanity. And I was so proud of this vanity because when I picked it out, it was like $500. And I said, how in the world? I do not have 100,000 subscribers on YouTube yet. So how am I supposed to afford this vanity on the teacher's salary? But then once payday arrived, I waited for payday, I was able to get it, and guess what? It was 50% off. Yay. So yeah. And I actually brought it in the house all by myself. It was 138 pounds. But yeah, these are my materials. So I will see you all tomorrow when the work starts. They do the demolition first. That should be fun. So let me take you on a tour of our 1960s bathroom. Let's first take a look at my shower curtain rod that I used to swing on because I like gymnastics so much. Next, let's take a look at the bathroom clock that is behind me. How many bathrooms have had this back in the 1980s? And now let's take a look at the floor. I used to sit on the throne and find patterns in the floor. So here's the floor, and I didn't really find too many patterns here, but this one was my favorite. I used to call that one the elevator. These are the doors, and that's the top of the elevator. to tell you this, but I never really liked you that much. It's not you, it's me. But I guess I'll just go ahead and tell you. And I thank you for all that you've done for me and everything, but you're being replaced. So, hope you have a good future, and thank you again for all that you've done for me, and I do greatly appreciate it. But I think this is the end for us, so have a great life. So thank you for watching, and please, as always, remember to like it and click that subscribe button. Thank you. Take care.